Hey boos, welcome back to the channel. It is your girl, of course, Betty's in the bag.
Short of straw when we're ballin'. 20 of the spies are calling. When we let it slide as you call.
Today we are talking about sinking funds. Now I wanted to do this video because I know there's a lot of us out there who are just starting to cash budget, or just starting to cash stuff, don't really know how to go about this thing, don't really know what certain things are. So if you guys realize, I kind of do certain videos on my channel to cater for beginners as well, so I can do a little explanation of stuff. I don't know, somebody probably want to know this, who knows. So let's talk about sinking funds. What is a sinking fund? Well, a sinking fund is a strategic way to save money for a specific purchase by setting aside a little bit each month. So let me tell you, sinking funds work like this. Every month you set money aside in one or multiple categories to be used at a later date. For example, Christmas is coming up. You're gonna need money for Christmas, right? You're gonna need money for Christmas dinner, Christmas decor, Christmas tree, Christmas lights, whatever. Birthdays is also a good sinking fund option, because your birthday, your boyfriend birthday, your mama birthday, your daughter birthday, whoever birthday. So these are basically stuff that are coming up in the future that you are aware of, that you want to put money down for. So that's basically what a sinking funds is. And each time you're going to put down small amounts, whatever amount that you can. You're just going to let those amounts add up until you get to a certain amount. When that day comes, whatever amount you've put aside for that, you have that to spend. So that's what a sinking funds is. I think it's really effective, because say for example you don't do a sinking fund, right? And your birthday's coming up, or your mama birthday, whatever. Guess what? You're going to have to take a huge chunk of money out of whatever money you have to accommodate for that specific thing, like your mama birthday or Christmas. And instead of doing this, you've put down smaller increments over a period of time for this day. So when this day comes, you could just take out your money that you have put up for that thing, and you could use that money on that thing. So you don't even have to go into whatever money you have at that current moment. So that's why I feel like sinking funds are really effective. You save up small amounts over a long time frame instead of coming up with a big chunk of money all at once. So that is what a sinking funds is. Good sinking funds categories, like I said, Christmas, birthdays, car maintenance could be a sinking fund. You have a car, you never know if your car, cars, sometimes they need new tires, new brakes, they need maintenance. So that's a good thing to save for. If you're getting married or you want to get married one day, you can start sink for wedding expenses. You can start for vacation is a good sinking fund category. Travel, stuff that you want to do eventually in the future, or stuff that are coming up eventually in the future that you are aware of, and you want to start putting money for that thing. So sinking funds versus emergency fund. Let's talk about this. Sinking funds is different from emergency fund. And you want to know how it's different? Well, an emergency fund is basically money you set aside for the unknown. So you're setting money aside for something that you're not aware of, but you just want to set money down just in case it pops up. You have money to cover that thing. You know what I mean? So that's why it's called an emergency. Emergency and sinking funds are different, because sinking funds, you know what it is that's coming up that you want to put money for. And emergency funds, you have no idea what's gonna pop up at any time that's gonna attack you, that you're gonna have to pull out some money to deal with. So you want to save these two separate, so you can have money to deal with the known and money to deal with the unknown. With a sinking fund, you can save for anything and everything under the sun, baby. You can save for whatever it is that you want to do. You can just start putting out small amounts towards that thing. You can plan for big extravagant fun. Hey, I want to book an Airbnb for my birthday and I want to, you know, decorate it. So event planner, you want to, you know, have all your friends come over. You want to throw, like, get a DJ, get a stripper, whatever it is. You can start putting up money for that. Me personally, in my sinking funds binder, I do have birthdays. So I've started to put money up for my boyfriend and my daughter's birthday. Now I'm going to do a separate binder of sinking funds, like personal, so I can try to save for stuff that I want to do personally for myself as well. And that binder I'm going to put my birthday in. But sinking funds are good. You have to basically, it's a way for you to prepare for the inevitable expenses. You're gonna prepare for stuff that you know you're gonna want to buy something for or give a gift or whatever at that particular time. So let me just start putting money down for that thing now. Instead of doing a big chunk, you just gonna put little by little until you get to whatever amount you would like to get to. Now what some people do with sinking funds is they create them like saving challenges. So they'll say travel fund. Like I have a couple of these on my website if you guys want to check them out. You have travel fund. You say for example you want to come up with $1,000 to travel. People do them like saving challenges. So they'll like do the little circles, and then they'll do, you know, split up the money in smaller increments, and each time they try to save that, each time they try to save that, each time. You get it. So you can do sinking funds a lot of different ways, whatever way work for you. If you are a lover of saving challenges, you probably want to approach it this way so that you can, you know, for me, I love saving challenges because I am more likely to put money down when I'm like scratching out the boxes. And I'm kind of OCD a little bit, so I like to see everything scratched out evenly. It's crazy. So if, say for example, I put money down and there's a box in the middle that I haven't put anything, I want to go there and cross that box out. So I'm more likely to put money down to reach my goal into that. So you can do your sinking funds however you would like to do it. So how to create a sinking fund? Okay, it's pretty easy. Step one, decide what you want to save up for in your sinking funds binder. Decide all the upcoming future plans and events that you know are coming up that you know you normally spend money on, and you're gonna put those categories down. That's step one. Step two, decide where you're going to store your sinking funds. So are you going to do it in a checking account? It's up to you. Or are you going to do it in cash? Are you better with cash or are you better with card? If you're okay with card, go ahead. You can start doing it on your card. If you are not okay with card, you can do it in cash. If you're not okay with card, you could do it in cash. Or you can use Every Dollar. That's a free budgeting tool that a lot of people use. It's called Every Dollar. You can use that tool. They can help you to design, like designate that money in your budget so you know exactly how much you have in that fund. Where is step two. Step three, decide how much. So how much do you want to put down for that thing? How much are you trying to save up for Christmas? Consider Christmas dinner, gifts to your loved ones, decor, you know, consider all the things. Everyone is gonna be different because everyone's situation is different. So based on your situation and how you normally go about things, think about how much money you think you need for that thing and start, you know, see how much you're gonna put down at times, Or for me, I literally just go random. Like I randomly just put down random amounts. If I know my boyfriend's birthday or my daughter's birthday is coming up, and I try to put more money towards that. I guess I try to do more money towards the things that are coming up first. That's how I do mine, but I still put a little bit in all of my categories. If you are doing cash stuffing, then you could have a whole binder designated for sinking funds, and then you just go by each binder, because that's what I do. Let me show you. This is my sinking funds binder, and in this binder is where all my categories for my sinking funds is. So I literally know what I want to save for. See how this says Christmas? I know what it is that I'm trying to save for, and I put my money down little by little. Birthdays have basically almost, I say the most, because my boy, like I said, I know birthdays are coming up quicker, so I'll try to put as like the most money into this envelope. So whatever it is that I know is coming up quicker, I try to lean forward on putting more money into that envelope. This is like my daughter for whatever stuff she need. I know sometimes, like, I'm planning to take her to the beach, so I know I wanted to get her some beach toys and stuff, so I could take it out of her little sinking fund envelope. My mom, self-care, I need to do my nails, whatever it is that I want to save up for in the future. Say my birthday is coming up, graduation, and I'm gonna need to get my hair done, my nails done, whatever. I have the money here. I can just take it out of here. So this is basically what a sinking funds is. I love to do it this way, like cash stuff it, because it is fun to do, and I like to track my progress. I guess I like tangible stuff. Let me say I like it tangible. I need to be able to touch and feel, okay? So that's basically what a sinking funds is, guys. I hope that I helped you out a little bit, and you learned something. I really do hope that I was able to teach you something. But thank you guys for watching the video. I hope that you guys have started your budgeting journey, and I hope that you guys are doing well on your budgeting journey as well. I will see you in the next video.
I used to work the day away. I figured I could maybe pave a way. No, it's niggas that count